When we say hits, we're referring to the number of times a visitor accesses a website from the front end or user-facing side. However, during the process of developing a website, all content accessed by developers and administrators is also counted as hits. This is why it's important to reset the hit count once the site is ready for production, so that the hit count accurately reflects the number of times the site has been accessed by visitors. To check the hit count for each article, we can go to the Article Manager in the Joomla dashboard. Here, the hit count for each article is displayed next to the article title. This number indicates how many times the article has been accessed by visitors to the site. To reset the hit count, we need to access the site's database. This information can be found under the Server tab in the site's System Global Configurations. Once we have this information, we can go to our server and select the database name of our site. In the database editor, we can paste the following code: update tablefix _ content set hits =0. The tablefix part of the code should be replaced with our table prefix, in this example, nnbk. Once we've made this change and saved the file, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking us if we want to reset the hit count. Clicking OK will reset the count for all articles on the site. After resetting the hit count, we can reload the Joomla panel and see that the hit count for the article has been reset to 0. If necessary, we can reset the hit count for all articles on the site in the same way.